How's everyone doing today? So Honda just came out with a new recall, and this one you guys are probably gonna know what I'm talking about on this one. It has to do with the hood shaking. If you guys remember, a lot of the Accords, when you drive down the highway, these hoods shake a lot. And I guess what they're saying is on some models, this is gonna affect right now some 2016 to 2019 Pilot and also some 17 to 2020 Ridgeline so far. But I guess what they said is the air moves between the hood and where it latches, of course, like we know. It could be right here on the seam and mainly right here on the front. I guess too much air, they're saying there's too much airflow right here, which causes the hood to vibrate at highway speeds. And they're saying over time, this vibration could cause stress fractures along the hood latch and actually cause the hood to separate. So I know that's the extreme case, I'm sure. But it's funny because that's what we were talking about on our Accords. Now, so far, this just came out yesterday. That is just right now for the Pilot and the Ridgeline. Even like right here, you could see it moving on the highway on a lot of cars. But even my Accord, I noticed it a little bit. But like I said, this just came out, so it could branch out to the Accord. So definitely keep your eye open for it. They're saying they will notify customers of the affected vehicles starting in July. They said July 17th is when you guys, if you have affected vehicle, will get a letter in the mail. But something to keep an eye on, especially, like I said, the other models might suffer from the same thing, because you guys have known how they're aluminum hoods now. So they are thin and they're light, but I guess even for Honda standards, it's just too much movement. And they say there's already been quite a bit of warranty claims from this, actually. They said as of November 19th, there was 116 warranty claims because of this issue. And so what they'll do, of course, if you're affected, they'll either replace the hood or the hood latch striker for free, of course, depending on how severe it is. So you could get a brand new hood as well. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it was a pretty interesting one, especially since that was a lot of the complaints that people were having with their Accord and Civic even. Actually, the new hoods that they move a lot. So I think what it probably has to do with is Honda switching to the aluminum hood and just not having enough integrity of the hood, and then the gaps being too big. So that's why I liked when I put the little filler on. It kind of minimized that. So that's definitely, that's not what Honda's going to do, but that's the overall idea, is to get less air moving through there. So again, I just want to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good, being safe out there. Again, so right now, if you're an owner of a newer model Pilot or Ridgeline, definitely keep your eyes open for a letter in the mail. And then again, us Accord owners, keep an eye open too, because it might affect these cars. You know how they like to do it in phases, where it's one model of a car and then they'll get those under control and then kind of release it later on, do it in batches. So maybe it'll be a fix down the road. So I appreciate all of you guys. I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.